And here are the crypto top headlines. Local Web3 community launches Crypto Aid Israel to help displaced citizens. Next, crypto investment products see largest inflows since July, says CoinShares. Also, derivative exchange Deribit to start XRP options trading January 2024. Plus, CTO seeks community consensus for XRPL AMM feature adoption. And all hell could bullishly break loose for XRP as pro-Ripple attorney sees an 18% chance of SEC settlement. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, local Web3 community launches Crypto Aid Israel to help displaced citizens. The charity campaign aims to raise funds for humanitarian aid to help Israelis affected by the recent conflict. A collective of local leaders in the cryptocurrency space, including 42 Studio, Market Across, Collider Ventures, Crypto Jungle, Nilos, Blockchain B7, Efficient Frontier, Iron Blocks, the Israel Blockchain Association, Bits of Gold, as well as Cointelegraph, have joined together to establish Crypto Aid Israel, a global fundraiser to help displaced Israel citizens in need of humanitarian aid. The ongoing and unfolding conflict has taken a heavy toll on the local civilian population, with casualties currently estimated in the thousands. A recent report from Israeli news source Haaretz indicates the attacks on Israelis' local population have resulted in the deaths of at least 700 Israelis and nearly 2,400 wounded since Hamas's surprise invasion on Saturday morning. In Gaza, the Palestinians report 560 dead and over 2,700 wounded. According to the CEO of Crypto Jungle, Ben Samacha, Crypto Aid Israel's aim is to provide immediate help for those affected. We hope to raise the necessary funds to provide food and shelter for families who lost their homes. We are also hoping to provide hygiene and medical products for the bombarded Israeli civilian populace. Crypto Aid Israel is hosting a multi-sig wallet overseen by luminaries in the local Web3 community. In order to donate and help their cause, you can visit their website here, which is www.cryptoaidisrael.com. Per a press release shared with Cointelegraph, Crypto Aid Israel's creators are urging those who want to help to be cautious when it comes to verifying that their aid is going to the right wallet. It is incredibly important to consider before donating that due to potential phishing scams and cyber attacks, please compare the crypto wallet address to the verified one on the official website so that funds aren't sent to the addresses that may have been sent to you through other sources. Our next top headline, crypto investment products see largest inflows since July, says CoinShares. Cryptocurrency investment product saw inflows for the second consecutive week, totaling $78 million according to CoinShares. Digital asset investment products continued to see significant inflows in the past week, reaching the highest volume levels since July of 2023, according to a new report. Crypto investment products saw inflows for the second consecutive week, totaling $78 million, crypto asset management firm CoinShares reported in its weekly analysis report on October 9th. According to CoinShares, the volumes of crypto exchange traded products, or ETPs, also surged by 37% last week, reaching 1.1 billion. Bitcoin volumes rose 16% on trusted exchanges, the report notes. Solana, the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has continued to assert itself as the altcoin of choice as its weekly inflows reach the highest level since March 2022. At the time of writing, the cryptocurrency is up around 14% over the past 30 days, but is still down about 32% over the past year, according to data from CoinGecko. Despite significant general growth in crypto product inflows, some major crypto investment products have seen more muted movements. The United States Ethereum Futures Exchange Traded Funds, or ETFs, which debuted trading on October 2nd, attracted only around $10 million in the first week, highlighting tepid appetite, CoinShares stated. In addition to asset-wise analysis, CoinShares also reported that 90% of all crypto asset inflows came from Europe, while the US and Canada saw just $9 million of inflows combined. According to the data, Germany and Switzerland were the biggest countries contributing to the inflow rise, posting $37.3 million and $31.3 million in inflows, respectively. Together, the two countries accounted for 88% of all crypto asset products inflow last week. The news comes as CoinShares works to expand its operations in the U.S., introducing its first offerings in the country in September 2023. The company is confident that the U.S. is a global leader in digital asset development and regulation. Our next top headline, derivative exchange Deribit to start XRP options trading January 2024. The leading platform for crypto options trading, Deribit, has announced plans to expand its offering to accommodate more digital assets. In particular, Deribit has proclaimed it will provide options trading for XRP, Solana, and Polygon. The exchange communicated the development via its official account on the X platform following an interview with its Chief Commercial Officer, or CCO, Luke Strigers. We're bringing linear options for Solana, XRP, and MATIC to the table, Deribit remarked in the tweet. Options for XRP, Solana, and MATIC. In the interview, Strigers claims that a fall in volatility in the crypto market will not hinder Deribit's plans to support other digital assets. Moreover, the Deribit CCO disclosed that the options trading for XRP, Solana, and MATIC will be live by January 2024. Strigers remarked, "Is this the best environment to launch new products, or should we defer? That's what keeps us awake. We are expecting some increased volatility in January when we launch options on 3 altcoins." Notably, Bloomberg highlighted that Deribit's expansion with the 3 digital assets marks a significant move beyond the exchange's limited offering. Specifically, Deribit's options trading supported only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Coin. It will now support XRP, Solana, and Polygon starting January 2024. Furthermore, Bloomberg mentioned that trading volumes of the crypto derivative market crashed to approximately $1.5 trillion in September from the $2 trillion mark observed earlier this year. It attributed the decline to subdued crypto asset prices and reduced volatility compared to 2021. Deribit seeks EU license and moves business to Dubai. Meanwhile, the Deribit CCO revealed that the company intends to seek clearance for brokerage services in the European Union alongside its expansion bid. In parallel, Strigers disclosed that Deribit would be moving its headquarters from Panama to a more crypto-friendly location in the United Arab Emirates. Specifically, the exchange will be headquartered in Dubai after securing the necessary licensing. Besides, the Deribit Chief Commercial Officer highlighted that the firm intends to fortify its 115-person workforce with another dozen. Our next top headline, Ripple CTO seeks community consensus for XRPL AMM feature adoption. David Schwartz stated that the changes could be implemented in as little as 2 weeks if a majority supports the amendment. Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz has advocated for XRP Ledger, or XRPL, validators to support an automated market maker, or AMM, feature, but only if there is consensus within the community. On X, Schwartz discussed the XRPL's AMM feature. In his initial post, Schwartz referred to the AMMs as an intriguing part of decentralized finance. The XRP Ledger is a decentralized blockchain with XRP as its native asset. It is known for its speed and scalability, making it suitable for various financial applications, including cross-border payments and remittances. In response to a community member's question about the timeline for AMMs going live on the XRPL after governance voting, Schwartz stated that if the majority supports the amendment, the changes could be implemented in as little as 2 weeks. Expanding on the significance of a majority vote, Schwartz emphasized that no validators currently endorse the vote to the best of his knowledge. The introduction of the AMM feature occurred with the release of Ripple version 1.12.0, which also brought the potential clawback feature. Adding an AMM is not limited to introducing a new trading engine. It will also enable integration with the XRPL decentralized exchange. Despite the significance attributed to this feature, Schwartz advised validators against voting independently to promote these modifications. Instead, he emphasized that the community should reach a consensus first, and then validators should overwhelmingly vote yes when they perceive that the community is in agreement and sufficient nodes endorse the adjustment. In addition to his prominent role in Ripple, Schwartz is renowned for his informative articles and commitment to championing decentralization. Lately, he dispelled misunderstandings concerning the clawback feature, often seen as an intrusion on XRPL users. He clarified that the feature aims to safeguard developers from potential legal liabilities within the ecosystem. Our next top headline, all hell could bullishly break loose for XRP as pro-Ripple attorney sees an 18% chance of SEC settlement. Jeremy Hogan, a prominent attorney closely following the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, has predicted an 18% chance of the SEC settling its case against Ripple and the firm's co-defendants. Sharing his insights on Twitter regarding the possible outcomes of the SEC versus Ripple case on Sunday, Hogan first suggested that settling with the individual defendants could have expedited the case, potentially reaching an appellate court about 9 to 12 months faster. He said this approach would have saved the SEC valuable time and preserved its resources while avoiding a protracted and overreaching legal battle. However, Hogan acknowledged that even with this route, the case would likely have extended deep into 2026, specifically to August 14, 2026, giving it a 39% chance of happening. Another option Hogan considered was a complete settlement of all litigation against Ripple and the individual defendants. Settlement is a good option for the SEC. It gets to publish another win and collect a big check from the bad guys. The judge cleared this path for them by clarifying that her ruling only applies to the facts specific to XRP. Chance of happening, 18.987%, wrote Hogan. Notably, just last week, Judge Annalisa Torres recommended a settlement conference between the final pre-trial conference, which is slated for April 16, 2024. However, it's worth noting that the SEC has exhibited a limited willingness to compromise up to this point. The most crucial point Hogan emphasized was that July summary judgment was the law of the land at the time. This meant the SEC's case against Ripple could not have been altered or resolved until at least 2026. Judge Torres' criticism of SEC's inconsistent arguments. Hogan's assessment comes just days after Judge Annalisa Torres denied the SEC's request to certify an interlocutory appeal in the Ripple case. In her ruling, she openly criticized the SEC for presenting shifting and inconsistent legal theories regarding Ripple's other distributions of XRP. Judge Torres' criticism aligns with previous admonishments of the SEC's behavior in the case. Magistrate Sarah Netburn had earlier remarked on the SEC's selective adoption of litigation positions, noting that the agency prioritized its desired goals over strict adherence to the law. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.